Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a story video with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, for example, I'm going to create a story about Cinderella, and for the AI, I'm going to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. And I will use ChatGPT as well to generate a prompt. And then we will need ElevenLabs to generate a voice. Okay, and first thing first, you can go to the ChatGPT and then you can ask ChatGPT to create a prompt and also narration for your story. Okay, and you can create the story scene by scene. This is for the scene 1, for the prompt and also the narration. And then you can copy the prompt from ChatGPT. Then you can go to the Meta AI. Okay, and this is my prompt. And as you can see, the Meta AI has generated a picture for me, and you can ask the AI to animate the picture or the image. Okay, and this is for the animation, and you can download the animation and you can create scene by scene guys. And after all your scenes have been created, you can compile it with CapCut or another video editor. And before it, you can generate a narration using ElevenLabs. And this is the narration I have generated with text-to-speech feature on ElevenLabs. This is how the narration sounds like.
But her stepmother and stepsisters treated her.
And I'm going to download it. Alright, and after that, we're going to go to the CapCut. And I'm going to compile the scenes with CapCut. I'm going to click on import. And I'm going to import the video I have generated with Meta AI. And I'm going to import the narration as well. Okay. And I'm going to add this scene 1 and scene 2. And then I'm going to add narration like this. And let's see how it looks.
Once upon a time, there lived a kind young girl named.
Okay, and if you want to make it more captivating, you can add music. Go to the audio, and then I'm going to add audio here. I'm going to add this music, guys. And I'm going to reduce the volume. And let's play it.
Once upon a time, there lived a kind young girl named
Okay guys, and that's all the way to create AI story video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.